How to buy SolSavior token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the direct account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under this Solana. You can open your fund money for that. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and this token. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. So after that, you can be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you're facing issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy SolSavior token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.